Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to blender3d modeler. In this video, we are going to make the third part of character, monster, and this one will be the second one, the teenager. Okay, first of all, do not delete the cube and add shoulder to this cube. Add mirror and subdivision modified with or some smoothness and for more geometry. Now add another cube, scale it down to the left to make the left, and duplicate this face and extrude the feet right here. Add loop cut and scale them, extrude them, and we increase it to give it some softness and keep it soft and round from the upper side. Now move the feet a little bit up, this face right here, and extrude it backward to make the knee of this character, and extrude the front face and scale this side too, and X and 0, and now extrude them individually just like this. Move them a little bit down, make the two figures now equal them and scale them, move them a little bit forward just like this. Now Alt F is to make it a little bit flat, scale this blue just like there and there. Now our feet are looking good. And now creating area if you see any problem, move them up, move them down just like this. Now we have to make the arms of this monster, but first scale them and look from every angle if any size tweaking makes problem. If there exists, correct it. And now extrude this face right here. Move this face a little bit close to the elbow, or move the elbow close to the wrist. Now duplicate this face right here. And it extrude it to make the hand. We can make the hands like this, or we can add another cube and extrude the fingers and so on. Adding another cube gives us control for us that we can scale them individually and separately. Now we can add another. We can equalize every pixel from every angle. Scale them 0 on specific axis. Now move this a little bit close. Level this loop right here. Move them a little bit up. Insert these faces and scale them just like this. Extrude them and extrude the fingers just like this. If you see any sizing problem, we can undo it, control Z, and extrude it again if you see any problem. Now we need to make some first, and now rotate it and move these edges a little bit up and extrude them individually just like this. Now we have one thumb and two fingers. Now rotate it just a little bit. Now rotate it just like this, just like this way. Scale S and 0 and move them on the Z axis individually. So move this edge right here, or we can merge it to the upper edge just like this. And scale them like there. Okay, now our hand is looking much better. Now create some area for better result. Move them a little bit away from each other. Give it some space. Closer. And now our hand is almost complete. Now almost complete, it is complete. Now scale them and set them according to your template. But making some areas and scale them just a little bit and Alt F or give it some big. Now move this up and scale them on by just like this. Move this a little bit back and create some areas if you see any problem. Now our hands are looking much bigger. So move the fingers a little bit up, just like this, and mean crease some areas of the fingers, just like this. Now add another thing for the hand. Scale the back face, and scale them on the right, just like this, and one look right there, and move the right leg backwards, and move the top vertex a little bit up, and scale them on the x-axis from front. Now scale it and invert and extrude it like that. Okay, this looks much better. Now tweak some areas to make the hand correctly. And we need to apply the modifiers once, and then we can add the modifiers later on. Now, but we need to add the little modifier first to the head, then we can apply the modifier later. Then add another modifier after that. Just like this, I applied this modifier once, and now we can color it, or we can do this later. Now apply the add middle and subdivision modifier again, and now we need to make the mouth. So tweak some area, just like this. Now join some vertices and make some areas like this. Duplicate it, or we can extrude it directly. Just like this. Now main face and extrude it like this. Main face them correctly on every single edge around the mouth. Mean freezing is important, and to be careful with, just like this. Now everything is kind of looking much better. Move them a little bit forward, and move it a little bit down, scale them on the edge, and place it correctly on the body. Just like this. Now move the mouth a little bit up, and move this here, move it closer to the body. Now fix it, and adjust it from every angle. Now we need to add one loop cut, or we can move it a little down. So set this vertex right here, and move them up to make the head a little bit spiky as it is in the picture. Now move this vertex from the back, and move the other one down to make the head correctly. Now we need to set this face right here and extrude it inwards. Now main freezing the eye is important. The movement of the edges is also important. The main freezing them is more important. So it gives a shape to the eye. Now main freeze the specific edges where we want the eyes to be a little bit angry. Just like this. Now we can color it. Main freeze some areas if you see any trouble or problem. Okay. Now go to the material preview and color the same color we did to the first one, and color them a little bit white and a little bit dark, just like this. Now we can color the eyes white and invert it, subdivide and circle, and delete these spaces and fill them only one place. Now make them a little bit outward and insert it once, and move them closely to the front. Just now our graphic is looking much better. Now we need to subdivide these areas and color them with a white, light pink color, just like this. This is important. The character has an eyebrow to look like it is growing up. Okay, our character is complete. We can explode this part. Move it a little down. Okay, rotate and move them. Just like this. Move the vertebrae closer to the body. Now we can double this part right here and extrude this to make the elbow like that. This is looking much better. Okay, now everything is complete. We can edit after applying all modifiers to the area. Like eye around the eye. Move these vertices closer and make it round just like this. Join the vertices to make the geometry better. Now merge the vertices by default. If any vertices are there, extra vertices. Okay. Now we duplicate the armature of the first one and now add the bones according to the shape of the body. And every bone around all this body. Now duplicate this right here. Do this. Now duplicate it. Move them correctly to the feet. Now pass it to the main feet bone. Shoulder. Add bone to the shoulder. Now set the bones according to the shape of this character monster and set the bones for the fingers. Set them correctly from all sides. This look from every angle for the result. Now extrude it one more time. That's this. Now move it and extrude it. Just like this. Now set every bone to the C1 and then parent it to the bench of them to the armature. But first we need to apply rotation and scale to both armature and object. Now we have parented the object to the armature. Now we can pose it wherever we like and pose it wherever we like. Just like this, and the pose it here, move it closer, and in the last is the final result. This is a quick tutorial for physical modeling. Part 2. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.